Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Today question is, in the quadratic equations, is the following situation possible? This is from the exercise 4.3 fourth question. So here he has given some situation and he's asking us whether the condition is possible or not. So he's asking for us in the two ways. Is it possible? Yes, it may be yes, or it may be no, not possible. So no need to worry that whenever we are not getting answer, so that is the meaning that we have done wrong. So first of all, see the question. According to the question, assume the answer also. Don't feel that whenever you are getting any wrong one, so my problem total is wrong, I am getting the not correct answer. So we'll check once again what is the question and how the conditions are there, how to do it. Is the following situation possible? So it may be possible, it may not be possible. If so, determine the present ages. So if it is happened, so you can determine, you can find out. So here two conditions he has given. One condition, sum of the two friends is 20 years. Second condition, multiplication of these two friends 4 years before will be 48. Let us check that one. So let us assume, students, that two friends, sum of their ages be 20. You can get the question, teacher, this we are doing in quadratic equation. Why you are writing in two different variables? This is only for your understanding purpose. This does not include in the answer. So first you assume that two friends, sum of the ages is 20 for our easy understanding purpose without getting any confusion. Then when two friends sum will be 20, can I assume that one friend will be 20 minus x? Yes, obviously when I am transposing x to that side, I will get 20 minus x. So these two things you can assume that as, so this you keep as in rough for your understanding purpose, that sum of two friends age, let x and y be 20. So y is equals to 20 minus x. Now coming to our problem. So let us assume the present age of one person be x. Automatically, the age of second person will be 20 minus x. The present age of other one will be 20 minus x. We have sorted out the first condition, that is sum of two friends is equals to 20. From that we got that let the age of one friend be x and the age of second person be 20 minus x. Moving to the second condition, he has given 4 years ago. Means you should subtract 4 from each of the present age. Understand the topic. When he is saying for you 4 years ago, in the sense you have to subtract 4 from the present ages and you want to do the product, then you are going to obtain the answer as 48. So let's move. The product of their ages 4 years ago is 48. So we will get x minus 4 into 20 minus x minus 4 is equals to 48. Now you understand, student? If you understand this one, then the problem total you can do automatically. So he has given 4 years ago, so x minus 4 and 20 minus x minus 4, two persons' ages, product will be equal to 48. Now moving to the point, I can write x minus 4 into 20 minus 4. It becomes 16. 16 minus x is equals to 48. Now you should multiply these two expressions to obtain a new quadratic equation. 16 minus x is equals to 48. Now you multiply each variable with another bracket of the variables separately. So first we are multiplying x with 16 minus x. Next we are going to take minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48. x into 16 minus x, you know already the distributive property. A into B minus C is equals to A into B minus A into C. This property we are going to apply here. X into 16 minus x into x. In the same way, minus 4 into 16 minus 4 into minus x is equal to 48. Okay, so x into 16 we are going to get 16x minus x square minus 4 into 16, 64. So you should learn the tables up to minimum 13. Minus 4 into 16 we are going to get minus 64. Minus into minus we are going to get plus 4x is equals to 48. We are having 16x and 4x, so we can add it. 16x and 4x. So what are the remaining? I am going to write in the format of quadratic standard format. So I will write first minus x square. Then after I'll add 16 and 4, we will get 20. So I will write directly plus 20x minus 64 is equal to 48. Now I will transpose 48 to the LHS side. Minus x square plus 20x minus 64 minus 48 is equal to 0. So now we can again solve or calculate minus 64 minus 48. Here the logic is there, students. Whenever you are seeing one positive symbol, one negative symbol, then you should do the difference and you should assign the greater value symbol before that. When you are seeing two same symbols, it may be positive, it may be negative. Whenever you are seeing two same symbols, blindly add it and whatever the symbol is there in front of it, you can place the same symbol. So here we will get minus x square plus 20x minus 64 minus 48 will get the value as minus 112 is equals to 0. So this is our quadratic equation. Now we want to find the roots of this quadratic equation. Actually, we'll have two methods to find the roots of equation. One is splitting the middle term. Second one is by using discriminant formula. So now we are going to see which is going to satisfy this equation. So I'll do the discriminant formula. So here we got the equation minus x square plus 20x minus 112 is equals to 0. We can find the values by using, or we can find the values in the sense roots, students, here by using the discriminant formula. A small explanation I want to give to you so that you will understand the remaining problem also how to do it. Discriminant. Discriminant denoted with the letter D or delta. So the formula is D is equals to B square minus 4AC. So D we can write or delta. A triangular small shape we can draw. The name is delta. We are having three conditions here by which we can, without finding the quadratic formula total value, we can determine whether the given quadratic equation have roots or not, that roots also real or not, and whether they does not have any roots. We will see what are the three conditions, students. The first condition, if D is greater than 0, then we'll have roots are real and distinct. Second condition, very important for the MCQs. Second condition is very important for the MCQs, competency based questions also, whenever you are writing or attempting CBSE final board exam. So if D is equals to 0, roots are real and equal. There is a shortcut formula to find out if the roots are real and equal. The formula is minus b by 2a comma minus b by 2a. Whenever they have given in MCQ short questions, 1 mark questions, they will give for you one quadratic equation and they will give the condition that roots are equal, find out the roots. So no need to do any discriminant, no need to do any formula, quadratic formula, explanation or usage. You can directly, blindly, you can substitute the value of b and a in this formula. That is minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a. If you find 1, automatically you get the 2 roots. So that is the thing when the discriminant is 0. Discriminant in the sense b square minus 4ac. The third condition, if discriminant is less than 0, then roots are not existent. So that meaning is they does not have any roots, no roots. This discriminant formula we are applying in the quadratic formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. By seeing this formula, you may get the assumption or the topics which your sir or ma'am has said in the class. X is equals to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a is one root. Second root will be minus b plus r plus will be one root, minus will be another root. So you want to find out the values in x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, that is quadratic form. Which discriminant will be there? Either first condition, second condition or third condition will satisfy this equation. So what is discriminant? B square minus 4ac. So to get b, ac values, the given resultant quadratic equation we have to compare with standard quadratic equation. What is our standard quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. When we are comparing equation 1 with equation 2, we get a is equals to minus 1, b is equal to 20, c is equals to minus 112, that is 112. So let us see what is discriminant. B square minus 4ac, substitute the values. B 20 the whole square minus 4 into minus 1 into minus 112. So here we are getting 20 the whole square means multiply 20 by itself 2 times. 400 minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, 4 into 112 is 448. Here, see here, again we got one positive, one negative subtraction. When we are getting like that, you should do, whenever opposite symbols are there, do subtraction. Whenever same symbols are there, do addition and put the symbol of that two numbers. So here ours is second condition. One is positive, one is negative. Then blindly do subtraction and apply the greatest number symbol only. So subtraction I am doing. 48 will be the subtraction. What is the symbol? Greater symbol. 448 is the greater number. So what is the symbol before that? Minus. So our answer also will be minus 48. So here discriminant is less than 0. So that means there are no roots. You no need to do any quadratic formula and you don't need to find any value of any roots. So we can write directly that this situation is not possible, whatever the question you have given for us. So there does not exist any ages such that their sum is 20 and product is 48 of two friends. No roots.